Mike's forecast for May 14th is 4, or moderate. This is the National Weather Service Office in Fort Worth. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning system for weather radio station KEC56. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted by the National Weather Service each Wednesday between 10 a.m. and noon, and between 6 and 8 p.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the wind alarm source, will vary at any given location. This variation normally
The speaker's broken on this midland wr100. Look at that. Hear that? You hear nothing? You don't hear anything. The speaker in this radio's brand new. I got it last week, and the next day after I got it, the speaker's broken. That sucks.
This concludes the test of weather radio station KEC56. The current time is 6:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You are listening to NOAA. All hazards.